Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome to our channel Initial Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to give captions in your video using CapCut. Let's get started. First of all, open your CapCut app. Select New Project. Select a video and then add it. Select text options, select auto captions. Click on the start button. See, this is creating your captions. Almost done. Yeah, done. You can delete your unwanted clips by clicking delete clips. I'll click yes, delete both option. You can add something or some text if you want to by clicking on the text. If you double tap on the text, then it will allow you to add something. Click on the right button, or you can style them. If you notice, then in some clips the text are not shown. So what you have to do is you have to go to a style button again. Now go to this option. Then I guess it will show up. Click on the right button, or you can add some animation too. There are so many animations, you can apply any of them, but I'm not adding any of them. So just let's click on the right sign. See, now all the captions are shown. Now simply export it. We are done, guys. So if you like this video, please give a like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.